So I just recently got a used Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I am loving this thing. It is super cool. Just to be able to do this on my phone, and I haven't got an S Pen yet, but you can pretty much use this as your tablet as well. Now, I've been having a hard time holding this device. I kind of feel like I'm going to slip and drop it, like especially in the one-handed mode. But I decided to get this leather case from Samsung. I think originally these were pretty expensive. It says $80 right here, but I got it for like $7.50 or something like that on Amazon. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up and see how the installation process is. Let's see. I don't think I've ever in my life bought a first-party phone case before. I've always gotten other brands, but this one was pretty cheap, and I think this will be a good balance. It's not the most protective, but it'll give me more grip and a little bit of protection. So, I mean, I don't know if I would really call this leather. It's kind of like a leathery texture of plastic, but that's all right. I think we're gonna have to install it with some stickers. So let's clean off the phone, and then we can go ahead and apply it. Snaps on just like that. Yeah, it actually looks pretty good so far. Then we just have to take off stickers or the covers. People say this doesn't really leave any residue, so I'm not too worried about messing the phone up or anything. Not bad at all. Let's get that on there. Make sure the adhesive applies. This one on the edge seems like it might not be super tight, but no, that's staying on pretty well now. Give that some pressure. Actually really like this. Still easy to press the buttons. Feels nice. And I've got a little bit of protection on my Galaxy Z Fold 4. Not bad.